unlocking the magic of regenerative agriculture. If you've ever pondered over whether the herbs you're sipping in your tea are packing the punch they should, then buckle up. We're about to embark on a journey through the lush, green fields of regenerative agriculture, where the magic happens not just in your garden but in your gut too. The soil story, it's all about what's underfoot. Let's start from the ground up, quite literally. Soil health isn't just farmers' chit-chat, it's the bedrock of nutrition, and here's why. Organic farming practices, which eschew the chemical cocktails of conventional agriculture, are like a spa day for the soil. They enhance soil fertility, increase biodiversity, and, gasp, actually improve the nutritional quality of the food you grow. Research published in the Journal of Agricultural and Food Chemistry in 2015 analyzed 343 studies and found that organic crops have higher antioxidant activity and significantly higher levels of vitamin C, 27%, iron, 21%, magnesium, 29%, and phosphorus, 14%, are compared to conventionally grown counterparts. Why organic? Because your body deserves better. When you choose organic, you're not just dodging pesticides, you're inviting a nutrient-rich party into your system. A study from Newcastle University in 2014, which reviewed 343 papers, indicated that organic produce can have up to 69% higher levels of antioxidant compounds due to less intensive farming practices that stress plants, leading to higher phytochemical production. Your body, which is a marvel of evolutionary engineering, thrives on these nutrients, leading to better health outcomes. Regenerative grazing, not just for cattle, but for your health too. Now, let's talk about the maestros of soil regeneration, Alan Savory and Joel Salatin. These aren't just names, they are revolutionaries in the world of agriculture. Savory's holistic management and Salatin's multi-species grazing techniques are like natural orchestras, playing a symphony of rejuvenation. Alan Savory's work through the Savory Institute has shown that managed grazing can increase soil organic matter by 2 to 4% over a decade, which is significant for soil health. This was demonstrated in a study where grasslands managed under his method showed improved soil carbon, water retention, and plant nutrition. Similarly, at Polyface Farms, Joel Salatin's approach has led to a doubling of soil organic matter in some fields, enhancing the nutrient profile of the produce grown there. These methods mimic natural grazing patterns, which not only restore degraded lands but also enrich the soil, leading to herbs and crops with superior nutritional profiles. The cycle of life, give back what you take. But here's the cosmic punchline: agriculture isn't just about taking from the earth. It's about giving back. Regenerative practices ensure that for every bit of nutrient we pull out, we're putting something back. A study from the Rodale Institute showed that organically managed soils can store more carbon, with up to 27% more soil organic matter than conventional fields after 40 years of organic practices. This is crucial for soil fertility and for mitigating climate change by sequestering carbon. By regenerating the soil, you're not just growing plants, you're nurturing a system that can sustain itself for generations to come. Sowing seeds of health. So, next time you're brewing your herbal tea or concocting your home remedies, remember the soil from whence they came. Opt for organic, support regenerative practices, and enjoy the fruits and herbs of a system that respects the Earth's natural cycles. Here's the data to back it up. Vitamin C, 27% higher in organic produce. Iron, 21% higher in organic crops. Magnesium, 29% higher. Phosphorus, 14% higher. Soil organic matter can double with regenerative practices over time. Antioxidant compounds, up to 69% higher in organic plants. Your body will thank you, your garden will thank you, and who knows, maybe even the planet will give you a nod of approval. Here's to healthier herbs, richer soil, and a planet that's not just surviving, but thriving. Now, go forth and regenerate, my friends.